Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can block the API access for an account in Cloudflare. So let us guide you through this. Head over to your account on Cloudflare, log into it. And what you want to do next, guys, is here on the left hand side, expand manage account, click into members. And here what you want to do is navigate to all members. And here next click into these three dots and select manage member settings. You can do that also by clicking into settings here. No, sorry, that's the wrong tab. Click into these three dots, as previously mentioned, select manage member settings, and there you go. So from here, you can now edit the API access for your entire account for the given member in this case here. So it will be set to account default, but you can also go with allow or block. So if you'd like to block access to API, click into this, select disable access, and that is going to remove access to API for the selected account. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.